Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Dash Wallet. So, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Open your Dash application from your app drawer. If you don't have the application downloaded yet, go and tap open your App Store or your Play Store and get it first. Soon after you launch it open, you will come across this interface. To sign up for a new wallet, you can choose one of the login with Facebook, Google options, or the Apple option. To log in using your mobile number, tap on Login with phone number. If you want to use email to sign up or login, tap on Sign up or login via email option at the very bottom. Now, for an existing account, go ahead and tap on that Sign in option. Input email followed by your password to log in. To create a new account since you don't have one, tap on Sign up and then enter a valid email address. Once providing an email address, create a password for your wallet on the next field. Repeat the password once again in the next field and finally tap on Sign up. Soon after you do that, you will be able to sign up for Dash Wallet. So, that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.